Here in section 5, we're going to deal with more technical aspects of your infrastructure that you need to put in place so your business can run. Now, if you're a typical business owner that I've worked with, you have a lot of get up and go in you. You want to get things done. So the idea of even watching this whole series, working through this process, reading our book, navigating your business journey, working through the workbook, doing all of those steps, you're thinking, man, I want to start my business. And you realize if you're going to do it correctly, you probably need 3 or 4 months of brainstorming and proper planning to put all the infrastructure in place. Section 5 can't be skipped. Let's take a look at some things we're going to cover. The accounting system. I wish to God that every business owner, made accounting their number 1 priority. Not an afterthought. Not the thing that I turn over to my CPA at the end of the year. Make this, even if you don't know anything about it, make it your top priority from day 1, that you're going to have a system in place to catch and record and then report on all the data that's coming through your company related to money. You got to have a tech stack that's going to help you with communications, projects. You don't want a myriad of applications that are not working with one another, so you got to think this through. You got to have a way of collecting money. By George, if you're doing this the old-fashioned way, cash and checks, you may think that you're saving money, but every time you're having to go to the bank manually or pay someone to do it, that's time and money that you are wasting. You need to think electronically here. It's a 2025, the making of this video, so you need to be thinking very electronic and remote work. We're gonna talk about templates. If you're gonna have clients coming in, you don't want to recreate a template or contract from scratch every time. It's time consuming. Have you a template set up, and then other professional infrastructure that's gonna help you grow your business. So let's take a look together.